Where do you go to get underwear for rats? That's the problem that Dr. Ahmed Shafrik had to confront way back in 1993. Now, he was a serious researcher in Egypt, and he was studying impotence. And he ended up publishing a paper. He thought that perhaps the texture of the underwear may have an effect on the potency of men. But how do you study this? Pretty hard to mount a study with humans. So he did the next best thing. He studied rats because you could easily observe them in the laboratory. But then he had to have underwear for the rats. And in the paper, he actually shows a picture of the underwear that he had constructed. 3 types. Some were made of polyester, some were made of a blend of polyester and cotton, and some 100% cotton. And what did he find? He found, amazingly, that the rats that wore the polyester pants were more likely to exhibit impotence. How did he know this? Well, he observed and he watched for those little erections to see just how competent the rat would be in mounting the female. And after that, he upped the study. Instead of rats, he put underwear on dogs. But this time, it wasn't impotence that he was after. He was studying fertility. Again, the same kinds of underwear, polyester cotton blend, or cotton. And this time, again, something very, very interesting. He measured sperm counts and sperm motility, and he discovered that the dogs that wore the polyester underwear had their sperm count reduced. Well, that was kind of interesting. But again, let's face it, men are not giant rats, some exceptions, neither are they giant dogs. So it's very hard to know what to make of this study, but at least it is interesting. We do have, however, an answer to another perennial question, and that is whether we should be wearing boxer shorts or should we be wearing jockeys when it comes to the health of whatever is down there. And this time we refer to Kramer on Seinfeld. You may remember that classic episode. He was worried about his own fertility, and he started to do some research on this and discovered that wearing boxer shorts was better because it had a greater cooling effect. Heat is the enemy of spermatogenesis.
Comfort problem there?
No, I think these jockeys shrunk.
I thought you wore silk underwear.
No. Well, I wore them for about a month, but I couldn't stick with it.
So indeed, although that was a comic episode, it turns out that there was real science to that. So any man who is concerned about fertility should consider wearing boxer shorts. Although I don't think they should be maple leaf boxer shorts. Anyway, so that is the science of rats and underwear, dogs and underwear, and humans wearing boxer shorts.